G'day guys, Adam at the Ironman 4x4 stand at the National 4x4 show. Just going to quickly run through our tyre repair kit. Very handy if you're out in the bush, you get a nail or a stake in your tyre. Let's pretend we've just pulled a nail out. We've got a hole in our tyre. With this tool, we actually make the hole a bit bigger. We've got these self-vulcanising cords. What they do is they stick to the rubber and stick to themselves. Using the handle, we're going to put it in. Bit of lube to make it easier. So all we do now is put the core in, bit of pressure, just before we put it up, put a twist in it, pull it out, and it'll never leak. As you can see, the kit comes with everything. It's got the lube, the tools, comes with spare parts, so valves, extensions, plenty of tyre plugs, and also a digital tyre gauge.